So if you want to remove the trim on the boat, you get your drill with a 1/8 inch metal drill bit. Find the little center of the rivet. Just go through till you see that little rivet head pop. You see if it comes out or not. If not, you might have to drill a little more. And then you end up with remnants like that. There's some discussion on this trim. It doesn't go through all the way to the bottom. There's the old hole right there, and that one may have been through, but this one under here is not through. If you do happen to go all the way through, all you need to do is just get a little small file, clean up any metal burrs, and when you put your rivet in, check that. Always clean up the top of the rivet too if it's got any little metal burrs, so you're not snagging your backside on them or your fingers when you're grabbing the boat. And that's how the trim comes off easy, goes back on easy with the aluminum rivets. Do not use stainless steel or I'll hunt you down and kill you, because they are almost impossible to remove. Now to split the seam, which on this boat we picked up from a junk pile after a hurricane, it was already split back to here. So we just continued to split using a putty knife, and you can potentially make out the seam right along in there. We get the putty knife started. And then you can, it's hard to show. I think you get the idea. Just follow the seam with the knife, and that's how the deck will come up. We'll show you some of what's inside here on the next video.